Namaskar and good evening. I, Anandi Lala, would like to welcome you all to Ayush Shakti's powerful Facebook live sessions. The past few weeks have been really difficult for us. We wouldn't have imagined to get ourselves into situation that we are facing today. So friends, you should discuss, you should turn to someone whom you can share your heart out, because mental health includes emotions, psychological, and our social well-being. So it is important, it is vital for you to share your thoughts and speak about your mental health. Because only when you are happy here in your head, only then you can find happiness, your personal happiness, only then you will be able to spread positivity. So today you will discover proven effective ancient solutions on how to tackle anxiety, depression, and free your mind from repercussions. So I would like to invite and welcome Dr. Smita Naram, founder of Ayush Shakti Ayurved, a chain of Ayurvedic medicines and Ayurveda therapy clinics across the globe. She's also a trainer and author. She has treated more than 1 million people across the globe with her detoxification treatments in the last 32 years. It is such an honor, and namaskar, Dr. Smita. We would really want you to share your insights on today's topic. Namaskar and welcome.
Namaskar, namaskar, namaskar. He is my son, Krishna Pankaj Naram.
Hello, namaskar.
And you
namaskar.
can see behind is my late husband, Dr. Naram. And with him, we have helped so many people get out of suicidal tendencies. So what if you have suddenly found that my 50% of the wealth is gone? Or what if you found that my girlfriend has betrayed me? Or what if you found suddenly one day that one of my close family member, brother or parents or somebody has done a real injustice with me and betrayed me? And you feel so sad, you feel I don't want to live on this planet. At that point, you can instantly feel in 30 seconds, feel grounded and feel like connection with the life. If you just sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground and press this marma point. This marma point is just under the nose in the central point here, and press it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can keep pressing it for 12 to 18 times. And in a few minutes, suddenly your inner mind will say, oh no, I want to live. There is more to life, not just this. You got my point. That's what today we are going to talk. And in this session, my dear friends, you stay with me because we all are together. We have also Dr. Giovanni with us from Italy, who is one of the most senior doctor trained by Dr. Pankaj Naram, and also partly me in the beginning of our practice together. And we have Krishna and me, and we will share marma points, home remedies, some herbal formulas, diet, everything that you can use actually to feel happy in your life, feel grounded and alive in your life. This whole wisdom is coming from this Siddha Veda lineage, which is 2,500 years old. My late husband was the lineage head at this time. And this knowledge is a very ancient knowledge, but quite proven at this time because we have tried it on 1.5 million people. We have treated more than 100,000 clients across the world suffering from depression, etc., etc. So why do we get depression and what is it actually? Because some people feel sad in their life, but they don't even realize that they are actually suffering from depression until a point comes where you literally feel like you don't want to meet anybody. You feel like suicidal feeling. I don't want to live on this planet. So before that, when there are pre-symptoms, if you recognize it and you take help of Ayurveda, at least it will not go in the direction of suicidal feeling. So it always begins, according to Ayurveda, with the three main reasons actually. So first reason always begins from your gut health, your Agni, your digestive fire not very well, and because of that your gut health is poor. You don't have a right kind of bacteria. That's what the modern science says, but actually, there are millions of bacteria, and how many you will take? So the best thing is actually, because even probiotics doesn't give you all of them. So best thing is to protect your Agni by right diet, and we'll talk about it, and using the right spices in your body. So this Agni is important. Why? Because happiness hormone serotonin, according to modern science, is produced in our intestine. Certain part of intestine, actually there is a process where it is produced and then it is deposited in the nervous system. So you have to absolutely eat everything that nourishes your nervous system, but you need to digest them. So Agni has to be good. That's one. If it's not good, you will produce toxins, which will then block happiness hormones, even if you are producing them. So even if you are under stress, your body has a mechanism. Immediately this happiness hormone comes, which is kind of a Kaphic hormone, okay, to create happiness. But then, if there's a block, it cannot reach, it cannot create the happiness. It cannot help you to control your stress naturally. Everybody faces the stress, and sometimes we face the same amount of stress, but we feel depressed. Why? Because of this. So that's first. The second reason is that we focus on improving the quality of brain, because wrong food, which we will discuss actually soon, there are certain food literally drains your quality of brain. Because if the brain tissue, what Ayurveda and even Patanjali Yoga Sutra Yoga says, that sattva quality is very important for our life. So sattva is that quality of mind which any situation you face, any challenge you face, you will say, you will have utmost faith in the God, and you will say, this must be for something good that it came in my life. And this is the challenge. This is an opportunity for me to shine. Instead of thinking, oh, why me? Why I have to face? Why he did that? Why that fellow did betrayal with me? Why I did wrong decision? Instead of blaming yourself or others, you will move forward and say, okay, what next? So that's the sattva quality mindset. That's what it says. While tamas quality will say very negative thinking, always afraid to take proactive steps, always thinking, oh, this was very wrong, he was wrong, I was wrong, confused, not taking decision, not taking action. This is actually the tamasic confused mind. When you take action, you can make a mistake, my dear friends. But if you are afraid to take action, trust me, you have done nothing. But if you take action, maybe you will make mistake, but maybe you will do the right thing and you will move things forward. So that's why we need sattva quality of mind, so that we, in the challenges, we actually think what can be done. We take action, we take full responsibility for our action. If we make mistake, we'll find out how I can reverse it. But inaction is not going to help you in the depression, sadness, or challenging life situation. So that's why we need sattva quality of mind. So that's the second one. And the third one is, of course, balancing doshas, because vata and kapha, these both are very much connected with emotions. So excess kapha creates a lot of sadness and depression, sometimes complacent feeling, inaction. And excess of vata creates fear, anxiety, and most of the times it is also creating insomnia, lack of sleep, which is one of the major signs of depression, irritation. All of these things are connected. And when you don't sleep, then it becomes like a cycle. You don't feel relaxed, you don't wake up relaxed. And because of that, again, you are afraid, your nervous system is weak. So that's the cycle. That's what is Ayushakti's approach, literally, to handle these three things. And we are going to actually talk to you today how, using diet, lifestyle, etc., we can actually literally create these three things. just to recap again, because this is very fundamental philosophy, I request Asmita to put the slide on Ayushakti approach. How do we handle this? Yes. So this is what I spoke. I'm just recapping. Increase sattva quality, balance vata and kapha, remove blockages, nourish brain and nervous tissue. This is very important. Remove blockages includes also increasing the digestive fire. So that's what we do. And that's how Ayush Shakti can create long-lasting results. Trust me, we had a client in America. I met him in Dr. Steve's place in US, Syracuse, and he was on antidepressant and also the medicine for insomnia, prescription medication, both actually for 10 years. And I started this approach. And just in 6 months, actually, he felt so good that his own doctor stopped all the medication. Because in America, the medical doctor have to stop them. And his doctor said that you don't need after checking his mental status. So that's what happens when you do Ayurveda. We have Dr. Giovanni with us.
Yes, thank you so much, Dr. Smita. That was quite insightful. So before we move on, friends, I would want to tell you all that you can ask us questions. You can also tell us what you are going through. You can share your experiences with us in the comment section below, and our expert doctors will definitely share their thoughts. So today we have a very special guest and a very, he's very close to Ayush Shakti Institution as well. So Namaskar, Dr. Giovanni Brinjali, expert pulse reader, medical doctor, and as Dr. Smita earlier mentioned, he has been trained by world-renowned Dr. Pankaj Naram and also by Dr. Smita Naram. And I believe you are one of his best students. So we are more than glad to have you with us on this live session today. Please, namaskar, and please share your insights, Dr. Giovanni.
Yes. So thank you, Dr. Smita. Thank you, Dr. Krishna. Thank you, all of you, Ayush Shakti team. And the topics that Dr. Smita has chosen is very, very, very important, because the depression, the anxiety, the tendency of suicidal is becoming more common, and seems that there is 800 people that commit suicide every year. So this is a very, very important point. And the people that is suffering of depression, and they have a very bad quality of life. And we have patients, personal patients that we have treated with the Ayush Shakti scheme, the Ayush Shakti plan. And I have in mind now one patient that I will call Mariella, that she was usually very, very bright, very solar, very, very happy, very caring mother. But then suddenly she went for a surgery, and then after the treatment that she got, suddenly the chemical balance of her brain get very disturbed, and she was not more taking care of the family, nor finding interest in the life, and very bad esteem, very bad low esteem. She was feeling that she was not being a good mother. And suddenly also one night when there was a big depression, so she went on the roof of the top of the building, and thinking to end the life. And she was also removing the clothes, folding one side, and very close to jump from the roof. So, but just for thanks God, a glimpse of bright of consciousness came to her, and so she stopped to jump. But then, so we have started a very important plan with Ayush Shakti, and so there are very powerful remedies that we are going to share with you like Suridai, like Sumedha, like Ayushakti Bliss, that are able to create a new balance in the hormones. So stimulates the balance of the good hormones, happiness hormones, and put in touch, remove the blocks, so that you are able to stay in touch with your subconscious mind that always is full of joy, full of happiness, and full of prem and love. So I see, yeah, there is a Suridai. Suridai means good heart. And the result of good heart means good emotions. And emotions are also a result of good balance within the hormones. So Suridai will take care of the hormones from the pituitary gland, the thyroid's production, and the surrenal. All the hormones will be well produced. As a result, you have a good feelings, a feelings of happiness, a feelings of joy that will come. And then you have Sumedha. Sumedha has been very important. Very important. There are the ingredients are able to nourish the brain and to instill in some way happiness feelings and bliss when there is especially overthought, too much thinking, anxiety that comes sometimes are connected. So with heavy doses of that. So also Mariella now she's back to life. She's back to life, and she is now a good mother, enjoying the company of the families and back to work. So I was really shocked and surprised that a person like Mariella, that usually was very, very bright and happy, that could change suddenly his behavior and think about auto-suicide. And very grateful and happy that Ayushakti has changed their life so dramatically.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Dr. Jivani. That was quite insightful. And I'm sure people who are suffering through this will definitely get their way out if, with these powerful insights that you have shared. So, Dr. Jivani, would you also like to share about Shirodhara, how that has helped patients? Would you like to share about that as well?
Yes. Because as Asmita was saying before, that one of the cause of anxiety is there are the blocks and the imbalance in the dosha. So the Shirodhara with the use of the oil, medicated oil, so it can remove the blocks inside the brain and brings gently Vata down. So that Vata, this energy, is not disturbing the activity of the brain. So it is nourishing, and the people feel relaxed and feel in this experience also during the Shirodhara, they can go back also to past experience, and but they can see some traumatic experience, but in some detached way, so they can elaborate their pain and their trauma.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Jivani. Thank you. But before we move on, I would like to tell you all, we have a lot of people sending us their love. Like Miss Nair says that it is so beautiful to watch you both talk. You both are beautiful souls, and it feels amazing to be on this live. How sweet.
Thank you, Mrs. Nair.
We have Namaste from Tobago, West Indies. They are also saying Namaste. They are greeting you both, Dr. Jivani, Dr. Smita, Krishna. They all are sending their love for you. Namaskar. How wonderful. So, Dr. Smita, would you like to share a powerful diet that has helped your patients to overcome?
Yeah, basically in the diet, as I told you earlier also, that taking care of digestion is very important. So absolutely avoid everything which is heavy, like red meat, deep fried, everything from the junk food like chips. And I mean, you can take sometimes, okay, if you take occasionally, it's fine. But in general, avoid them. And also the canned food and the frozen food create tamasic mind. So stay away from alcohol, canned food, frozen food, pickles, etc. So fermented, those things you should avoid, and eat lots of fresh vegetables, cooked vegetables and mung bean. Eat more of those things actually. So the berries, for example, raspberry, strawberry, blueberry, all of these natural but sweet ones actually. If you take them, that nourishes nervous system very well. Avocado, proteinous food is very good actually for this as well. Everything a bit more proteinous is excellent for nourishing the mind, especially beetroot, white pumpkin, and dates, fig, these and almonds. These five things are nourishing mind and creating sattva quality of mind. Besides that, I would also like to share with you certain lifestyle advices and some kind of a home remedy. So in the lifestyle, it is important that you have regular practice of pranayama. Uh, Sit in one place, and even observing breath for 10 minutes is a great way of doing pranayam. Or anulom vilom pranayam, anulom vilom type of breathing is the best actually as well. So meditation and pranayam, these two very important. Practice Surya Namaskar and Yoga Nindra. Yoga Nindra, you can find it actually on the internet. It's a very relaxing kind of a yoga asan, savasan, but more deeper level, which is creating very relaxed feeling so that your mind can think instead of getting cluttered. So that's lifestyle change. And then um, also in the lifestyle, you can do this marma. But before that, marma for self-love, you want to show that
Yeah.
Marma for self-love, and how you can grow positive thinking by doing constant marma. Of course, I just wanted to let you know one thing: the herbs, especially Sumeda, has things which increases positive thinking, which Dr. Giovanni just shared. So I wanted to just add something there. But I want to request Krishna to show us the marmas that he has learned from his father.
Of course. Namaskar, namaskar. This is so exciting. Now, before we go ahead, one thing about Suryoday, I have experienced, seen with all different friends and couple of other people I gave to. Someone was feeling depressed because they were not happy with themselves. They felt they hate themselves. I'm looking so ugly, so dark, and so overweight. And because of their overweight, they were not only depressed and then lazy, and no success was coming in their life. Even their work life was suffering. They started producing lesser and lesser results. So around people started teasing them. The boss was not good with that person because now overweight, not producing good results, feeling depressed, everything was horrible. It became a cycle, very difficult to get out of. He started Suryoday, and suddenly Suryoday activates the factors responsible to create amazing enthusiasm in you. It suddenly starts creating enthusiasm. And along with that, he did this marma. So first the enthusiasm came. Then weight loss started to happen because Suryoday also increases metabolism. So he was naturally feeling better. Now this took around 2 to 3 weeks to happen at a noticeable pace. Meanwhile, what to do? What did he do that made him love himself more? So in that way, when he loved himself more, he was more confident and created better results in his workplace, had better relationships with people around him, loved his parents more as a result. And now his parents say that we have the most blessed child. So this one marma changes the whole thing, whole scenario. It's with your right ear, you go like this and press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is one set. Do it again and again. When you wake up, when you go to sleep, you're thinking, don't think like this, think like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will leave a message in your mind that I love you, I'm with you, I love you, I'm with you. And subconscious mind have such positive, powerful affirmation. So it will create that kind of experience for you. Then your body will also support you. Then Suryoday will increase your metabolism. And there's something called the limbic system, which controls your motivation, enthusiasm. When you have Suryoday, Because of vitamin B12 deficiency, many times limbic system becomes out of balance. Mung is one of the only vegetarian sources where they have said that there is quantities of vitamin B12. When these bacterial flora in the intestine become good, B12 they naturally produce, limbic system is activated. Suddenly you start feeling good. So Suryaday and this Marma, I have seen created a big transformation and a turnaround in my friend.
Wonderful. Wonderful. And
Very
also one more marma that always your papa used to teach us, which was this: aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi. So index finger and thumb, both the points should match with each other, and you can just do this marma. And if you chant mantra of aham brahmasmi, it means I accept myself as I am and I am one with universe. It creates this positive feeling and self-love. That is what it does. So this is what you can do. Besides that, there are some home remedies which I wanted to share actually. And that home remedy was with the home remedy is with this ashwagandha. So if you cannot find bliss sumeda, because that is more powerful, having a lot of greatest combination in them. If you can't, then you can use ashwagandha, brahmi, piprimul. Half teaspoon piprimul, just a little bit, a pinch. That's it. And take it 1 or 2 times a day. And that can definitely help you. So that was about different ways you can instantly feel happy. You can get out of suicidal feeling. There was this one marma that I just remembered I wanted to share with you, adding to what Krishna actually showed. I've tried this and it has really worked. So there was like somebody that was really feeling very sad, and she just called me from long distance and said, oh, I just feel very bad, because in front of her, she had a twin sister and they were in the street when they were just 10 or 11 years of age. And suddenly some group of people came and stabbed. This was in America actually. And the twin sister died in front of that girl. So she lived with that terrible memory, and every time she thought, I am responsible, I couldn't do anything to save her and all that. And she felt, I want to just die, that's it. So she calls me, actually the parent called me, and I immediately told them, okay, I spoke to her and said, you know, you die, no problem, but just do one thing for me. I because I love you so much, just do one thing for me, okay, before you want to die. So I said, okay, what? I said, you hold cross hand, and with these two earlobe points, and start doing squat. And she was young, so she knew how to do squat. So she started doing squat. And trust me, after some minutes, she suddenly became fresh and started laughing. You know why? Because this improves circulation. When your nervous system increases circulation with this 2 points pressed also, then that suicidal thinking instantly stops. So that is one more thing you can do immediately when those feeling comes. But in long term, you have to take the herbs for sure. I really recommend meet somebody great Ayush Shakti doctors. Dr. Giovanni is one of the best. If you want to consult him, we will share his number soon. But I wanted to share actually his research paper, because I'm so proud of him. When he was doing his degree, and after that you published this research paper with Ayurveda. That was your commitment, that how you did this study. I just wanted to share with everybody.
Yes, Dr. Smita, wonderful. But before we move on to Dr. Giovanni's research paper, I want to tell you that we have people saying namaskar and thank you. This is really helping us. So please send your love to them as well. There are a lot of people saying
love from us. Lots of love.
There are a lot of people saying namaskar from England, and there are people asking that they have missed out on home remedies and herbal remedies. So don't worry, we will definitely post this live on YouTube also. You can go there and check if you have missed out on anything. And Dr. Smita's powerful home remedies also will be available. And if you want to buy, I will share our official website details at the end of the live. So yes, Dr. Giovanni, I believe you have a research paper that we are all interested to know about. So please share your insights on it.
Yes, namaste. So at the end of my medical study, so I decided to do a research and my degree thesis in how to treat with the Ayushakti remedies a patient that was suffering from severe anxiety and depression. So I have been working with the psychiatric professor in Bologna University, and we have discovered, we have seen that the patient that was using regularly, and they was following the full plan of six instruments as proposed by the Ayushakti, like lifestyle, diet, taking home remedy, doing panchakarma, and taking the herbal remedies. They was having much fast result. The quality of the life became much better, and the result was lasting more time than compared to the other group of people that was having only the psycho drug. So this has been proposed and offered to the Bologna University, and they have, greeted and accepted this good result of Ayushakti treatment.
Wonderful. Dr. Giovanni, thank you so much. And we have received a lot of questions, but before moving ahead, Dr. Smita and Dr. Giovanni, would you like to, share any tips for youngsters who are going through depression or anxiety?
Dr. Giovanni, you want to say something? Then I'll conclude.
Yeah. Like Krishna was saying. So there is this marma. This is very good. And when you feel that, when you touch that, you just is just the waves of love. You are transmitting waves of love. So the people and the youngster that are receiving that are feeling the father love, mother love, without also you don't express in words. So and then make a good bank. Emotional, bank account of emotion. Very good. Plenty of emotion, good emotions are going in the heart. Yeah. So this is very good. Good, Krishna.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Krishna, for such an insightful marma. Dr. Smita, would you like to share some tips?
Yeah. I just want to say one thing to all the youngsters, and that is that every day, whether you get suicidal thought, whether you feel depressed or not, the life is so I would not say rough, but life is such that you always have up and down. It's just part of life. What every day we all should do in order to stay away from any kind of sadness, depression, just say thank you. Be grateful for everything we have in our life. Just say thank you. Thank you, God, for at least giving me food, because there are so many people who doesn't get even food in their life. Thank you, God, for giving this in my life. Even little things you thank, but start being grateful. That will be such a huge therapy more than anything else.
Yeah. Amazing. Oh, and I remember one thing which was amazing. This was a time around 7 to 8 years ago. It was a time when all of a sudden I started to feel a low confidence, low self-confidence, and doubt was coming. And this was a big day because Papa had taken me somewhere in Germany where he said, Krishna, perform now. Speak to them, speak to the audience. They are waiting to listen to you. And I said, what, Papa? No, why you are putting me in this? And that's the moment I felt, why does my father push me into situations? Why it becomes so unpleasant? He doesn't like me. I don't think so he loves me. If he would have loved me, then he would have given me something easier to do, not something so challenging. I think he hates me. And I realized deeply, I thought that he hates me. So this was a problem. Now he's calling me, but I don't want to go because I'm thinking he hates me. So what do we do? What do we do? What does anybody do when you feel someone doesn't like you, someone hates you? Or what do you do when you have low self-confidence, when you don't like anything, you are hating the world, hating life? This time, there's one very special marma. This marma helps to transform that thought, which creates the feeling of hatred, anger, jealousy, unhappiness, low self-confidence. It suddenly gives such nourishment to your brain. Something powerful happens and you transform. So Papa realized, he saw Krishna is going in his shell, something is happening. Now I should have been more than grateful that Papa was pushing me in such challenges, which is in a safe place. So when I come in the real world, like today, when Papa is not with me, I still feel he is with me because of these challenges, which he has. So when you are having a challenge, what do? He came to me and he says, "Oh Krishna, bhai, what is it? What is happening? Come here. I love you so much." I said, "No, Papa, you don't love me. How can you love me? You are pushing me into all this stuff." He says, "Krishna, come here." And just how while talking to me, suddenly he started doing like this, pressing, pressing, pressing. In couple of seconds, might be 30, 40 seconds, I'm feeling like I'm standing straighter. Suddenly, I'm feeling like I can think more clearly. And an idea comes. Oh, when I go in front of this audience, I'm going to say like this. They will benefit. We will all have a wonderful time. I said it. That was the best beginning of my new life on stage. What did Papa do? This is the marma that transforms you, your fears, into relaxation, calmness, clarity, and inner power. Go like this. So like this one hand and the other hand like this. Then do 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hands are together, fingers are touching, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will release circulation, nourish your brain, make you feel calm, confident, composed, and give you access to such inner power which you even did not know. And if you know, then it will increase that power.
And there was, one time as a child, and that happens to all of us. He was, I think, 6 or 8 years of age, and because of some some fear, real fear, he could not sleep constantly. He was very restless. And Papa used this marma, which I gave it to everybody. This marma here. You want to show that?
Yeah, of course. This marma, I have seen it. I never knew that it was so powerful till it happened on me. When in around close to 10th grade, there was such a big chaos that was happening. 10th grade exams are considered like life forming exams in India. And that time, I was nervous, anxious, and feeling like, how will I even pass? What will happen? This is crazy. At that time, Mummy and Papa came and took ghee, dipped 2 fingers in ghee, and then put on my temple like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Moment they did this, I felt like a big weight was lifted off my head. It felt awesome. Then second time, third time, fourth time. By the time it was fifth time, I was feeling almost mellow and like I'm in some different world of hope and joy, and I just want to sleep, relax. And I slept. After 2 weeks, first time I slept deep, happy, healthy, woke up and got a breakthrough idea of how to study. Because if you sleep, then your brain will recharge, replenish, nourish itself. And something crazy, amazing can happen.
Absolutely. That was so good. As a youngster, Krishna, what you shared is so important. All the young people will have this little tips in your life. Use it so that for small challenges, you will immediately feel relaxed and you will find a solution yourself. This is what will happen with these little things that you use in your life. And if you have a chronic situation, then of course you will need to take the herbs like Krishna was talking about, Suryoday and several other things. So I just want to say them, we both love you. That's my last word to all of you.
One more marma I would like to share.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, for very important for suppose the parents can instill and can inspire the children, the youngster, just pressing this point in the shoulder and saying very good, positive, inspiring words like "You are amazing," you are the best, you are wonderful, you are magnetic, you are going to change the world. So this point will instill the seeds of this word in the subconscious mind that will grow and bring self-esteem, confidence, creativity to the children and to the youngster and to the...
That was so wonderful, Giovanni. You really reminded of a very good point which we forgot completely. We use it in the clinic all the time, and this is for the parents. They can actually, this is actually point which is by end of the shoulder. You know, we have this clavicle bone which we call it like a collarbone. So when that is ending, and just outside of that collarbone where it is ending, there is a very tender point. When you press it, that's the point which gives a message to subconscious mind. When you press and give a positive affirmation like you are great, we love you, everybody loves you, and you are wonderful, and all that. But it is really creating a major difference. You should do it every day for your child. If your child is under stress or some kind of no confidence, fear, etc. That was great. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Dr. Giovanni and Dr. Smita and Krishna. So me being an anxious person, I am definitely going to try this before sleeping, the one that Krishna talked about, the ghee marma. I think I'm definitely going to try it, and I will personally tell you, Krishna, if it has worked for me or no. So thank you for sharing such an insightful marma. So as I earlier said, we have received a lot of questions from our viewers. So I will definitely ask few of them from our experts. So the first question is from Miss Arushi Basu. She says, how do we know when someone needs professional help? So Dr. Giovanni, would you like to answer?
Sorry, I didn't get the question.
I'll repeat. So there's Miss Arushi. She's asking, how do we know when someone needs professional help?
Professional help. Okay. So the depression and the anxiety, it become clinical when you can say the symptoms become heavy, no? Because the clinical depression and anxiety are different from let's say ups and downs that we can face during the life. But when you lose interest, you don't eat, you don't want to go out, you start to lose interest. So then that time is better to ask the help of professionals.
All right. Thank you so much, Ms. Arushi. If you have any further questions, you can definitely reach out to us. I will be sharing the details at the end of the live. And we have next question from Mr. Rohan. What is your advice for dealing with suicidal thoughts, Dr. Smita? Would you like to please enlighten him?
Yeah, we just, in this whole thing, we just actually shared a lot of things, but instantly, if you want to, like you have a suicidal thoughts and then you want to feel instantly in contact with life, this marma which I shared towards the end, you know, pressing 2 globes and doing squat is something that I have seen from my experience gives instant actually change, because it improves the circulation to the brain, and that's why then the brain start thinking further. So that is instant, and this is very instant. So that's instant, but long term, from my experience, I have seen in the clinic working with hundreds of people that if you take the herbs which we were talking about, and Dr. Giovanni already shared a great experience of Mariella in which he has treated. You have to take a huge dose of these herbs and consult Ayush Shakti doctors. I think that will be the best thing. You will be definitely helped.
Thank you so much, Dr. Smita. So, Dr. Giovanni, we have one more question for you from Miss Ananya. She asks, how do I differentiate between anxiety and panic attacks?
The panic attack is an extreme expression of anxiety, where do you feel do you feel that actually you are like dying? So it is an extreme expression of anxiety. And do you feel like paralyzed? You feel like you are dying. You feel that you cannot breathe. And so this is a more extreme.
All right. Okay, thank you. So, Ms. Ananya, I hope you must have found the answer. And Dr. Smita, one last question for you. What do you suggest for people who are away from their families during lockdown? How will they cope up with stress?
When you are away from your family during lockdown, that's why in the West, earlier from my experience, in India, the depression was less in comparison to Western countries where the population is a little bit less than India. So there are less people and people get very lonely easily because of that. While we have a huge number of people and we don't feel lonely. At this time, in lockdown, a lot of people are lonely and that's creating actually depression. So have a routine every day to talk to your friends over WhatsApp, Duo call, and call everybody and just keep a time, keep a rhythm, support each other in this manner by talking to each other, talking to your family members every day as a rhythm without fail. Just talk to them constantly. So that's one way you can get rid of this loneliness during lockdown. The second way would be, of course, to read positive things constantly so that you feel always in touch with what is good in life. And there are so many nice positive lectures available everywhere. But the best thing to do every day is to thank, as I told you, to thank for everything that you have. Thank everything, thank for whatever you have, so that you don't get full of complaint and loneliness doesn't actually catch hold of you. That's the best thing I would say. And of course, I mean, if you have any hobby, for example, in this lockdown, I haven't been out of my house for almost 3 months now. And I love to walk, so I do the walking around the area where there is no people, or I love to dance, so I do that. Do some hobby that you love to follow, that also will, and involve people in that hobby, that will reduce your loneliness.
Amazing. Thank you so much. I'm sure all the people who have asked.
Tell Ananya and anybody who is suffering from panic attack, because actually panic attack, there is this Jivan Rakshak formula of Ayush Shakti which gives instant relaxation in panic attack. So I want to let you know that if there anybody who gets regular panic attack, Ayurveda can actually help instantly. You don't have to take chemical medication because those things sometimes can be quite habit forming. So I always recommend people to try the natural ways so that you are in a safe hands.
Thank you so much, Dr. Smita and Dr. Jivani. If there are people asking for Dr. Jivani's contact details, yes, definitely, I will give you. It's good. We will share it on our screen. Can we have contact details of Dr. Jivani, please?
Anyways, I wanted to...
Anyways, we will definitely share their details at the end, or we will also upload it on our social media. But, for chronic cases, like Dr. Smita earlier said, you cannot deal with that on your own. So for chronic cases, you must definitely consult our doctors to experience deeper healing treatments. We at Ayush Shakti, when you come at Ayush Shakti, you will definitely experience deeper healing through our treatments. So as I had mentioned in our earlier live session also, that we have a free consultation. You can come talk about your illness and get free consultation from our doctors. You can book appointment with us for phone or video consultation, or you can come and visit our centers also. for free consultation, and you will definitely experience vibrant results in your health. So this was quite an amazing, powerful live session. And me being, an anxious person, I think this has really helped me. So thank you so much, Dr. Smita and Dr. Juvani. I am forever grateful for this live session. And, friends, we have received a lot of suggestions from you to talk about certain illnesses. So we will definitely talk about them in our upcoming live sessions. Keep writing to us. We love it when you send your love across from various countries in the world. We are so glad that we could reach out to you during this situation. Thank you so much. And we will always be happy to help you. Stay safe, stay home, and most importantly, spread happiness and positivity, and you will definitely find the way of healing. Thank you so much. Namaskar.